We were once a peaceful race of intelligent mechanical beings.
Optimus Prime. Oh, it's prime time. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Marshall. I'm a mechatronics engineer and a product designer. So today I'm super excited to walk you through the process of building this Autobot Toolbox that you're seeing on my screen right now. Alright, so it has got the face of the Autobots that is engraved on the bottom lead and the top lead. Alright, so you can open the latches like this. Alright, and then you open the top lead like this, and the Autobots will roll out. Alright, so I've broken this tutorial series into 4 parts. So in the first part, we're going to be building the top lead. This is the top lead. And in the second one, we're going to be building the bottom lead. And in the third one, we're going to be building both the ledge and the handle. And finally, we're going to be assembling the parts together to come up with this toolbox. Alright, so if you're a beginner or an experienced designer who's looking for inspiration, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.